You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning egg in French. So how do you say an egg in French? Now, make sure to stay tuned because the plural has an S and it's pronounced very differently, so stay tuned for that. French pronunciation, oeuf. So it's this very typical sound from French. I know English speakers struggle with it, but oeuf, oeuf. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.